Traditional cooking systems using firewood, charcoal, and other biomass products can negatively impact health and the environment and hamper education attainment. While all family members are impacted, women and children are the most burdened and exposed to harmful black carbon and particulate. I'm Tran, a daughter of refugees, and with Andrew Pascale, we are the founders of FuturEcook, a social enterprise that prioritises health, education, and the environment by offering modern cooking services in schools and humanitarian settings. FuturEcook's innovative business model enables a fee-per-month subscription service for modern cooking. We partner with schools, governments, local and international organisations to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals of zero hunger and clean energy. FuturEcook invites you to help revolutionise cooking for millions of school children and refugees for a cleaner, healthier world.